What's up, guys? My name is Jess, aka Coco Shakim. I'm a painter, poet, musician, and filmmaker, as well as a youth worker. I'm from Aotearoa, home of the brave, and welcome to Fresh. Thank you for tuning in today. You'll be kicking it with me here in Aotearoa, and here's what's up next.
Beat I'm going for is probably like Afro. I've never done this before, so let's go see what we can find. On a stick, let's go. Also try to record the echo. Found a pole. All the same.
A youth worker. I work in a team that facilitates spoken word poetry space as well as a talaloto space on a weekly basis. And what that looks like is we just host people coming in and let them be their authentic selves and give them creative outlets to express what they come in with throughout their weeks. In terms of poetry, I started off as one of these walk-ins that sort of just wanted to know what was happening, fell in love with the space, volunteered, they ended up hiring me, and now I get to serve others the way I was served.
Welcome to Hologa Niue 2026.
Holonga is the Niue word for descendant. So Holonga Niue are all of the descendants of Niue coming together.
A festival that's bringing all the villagers here today to not only showcase Niue arts, but to showcase our stories as well as our Vili Niue.
But also this is a different festival to other festivals. We've got young children and matuas that we all can go on stage and proudly represent our maanga.
It's so beautiful to come together as 13 villages to celebrate our unique culture.
It's so heartwarming to see the Niue community come together, to see that, we're trying to keep our language alive.
The purpose for me is seeing more than one generation on stage and the intergenerational learning that happens at practices. We have 4 generations at sometimes where we've got a great-grandmother, a grandmother, a mother, and their child.
It's very emotional. It's very emotional to be there dancing and knowing that my daughter, my son, and 8 grandchildren are with me, and also nieces and nephews. So it's so beautiful, very humble.
Holonga is a big family arena for our people. Like 13 villages all performing in one stadium, all together as one. It's just like, you just never see that happening, which I'm grateful for. Like TSN has started something for our younger generations to carry on our culture, but I get to still perform with my family even, which is even better for me, just being a part of it.
It's good to learn the new Niue songs, the old Niue songs from other mangas. So I think kids should get involved with as many groups as they can and they can handle, just to learn your wakaho.
I'm going to be honest, it hasn't been an easy journey. At the end of the day, it's what matters most is when we're all on stage, we're representing our maanga mainly.
I think probably the biggest challenge that has come with all of this has just been having to, I guess, learn the language as well as Vili Niue, having to balance all of that together, and I think it's the same for a lot of other people, but overall I think it's a good learning experience, not just for myself, but everyone as a whole.
I'm proud. I've always loved performing arts and performing for my culture and anything, learning the songs, the koli, especially for my matuas. It's just a privilege to pass down old lolongos and messages just from our tufunas. It's just very inspiring to our younger generations as well.
At the end of the day, we're one people, we're Niue, and it's been an awesome journey. Can't wait for the next 1 and 2 years' time, so I'm looking forward to that.
It is going to be biannual. It's a big job. Logistics-wise, but at the end of the day, that brings everybody together.
My name is Carlleta. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Levuka, Lakembalau. I play for the Fijian Drua women's team and also represent the Fijiana 15s team. Come get ready with me. I get up at 7 a.m. What I pack for training, just my usual training kit, bed change after training, my notebook for meetings and game set piece play. How I prepare for training is just the usual. I just visualize what we do throughout the day. If it's a hard session, I go through it in my head. If we're doing line-outs, I'll go throughout the calls in my head. What representing Drua means to me is representing my vanua, my village, my family, God most importantly, and just what's the most important thing about Drua is that we not only get to represent ourselves, but Fiji as a whole. Thanks for watching my Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed seeing a bit of my morning routine and how I prepare for training. Now it's time to get stuck into the day. Thanks for coming along.
Don't go anywhere, we have more freshness coming up after the break. Talo for Lava fam, welcome back. We got more freshness coming right up. Hi, my name is Jess. I'm a painter, poet, musician, and a filmmaker, as well as a youth worker. I'm from Ota, home of the brave, and I am young, gifted, and brown. Growing up as a Samoan in Aotearoa has been an interesting journey. It's been a cool journey of discovering my own culture, as well as learning about the amazing culture that already exists here, and just being a part of that cool melting pot. It's a real big inspiration on my ideas as a creative and working with creative people. I hope you find joy because it's not on the list of guaranteed things in life. So I hope you get out there and find it and hold it. And when it inevitably melts away in the palm of your hands, I hope you reach out and catch the next piece of joy that swings on by. I'm a youth worker. I work in a team that facilitates spoken word poetry space as well as a talaloto space on a weekly basis. And what that looks like is we just host people coming in and let them be their authentic selves and give them creative outlets to express what they come in with throughout their weeks. In terms of poetry, I started off as one of these walk-ins that sort of just wanted to know what was happening, fell in love with the space, volunteered, they ended up hiring me, and now I get to serve others the way I was served. So I seek my own mentors for guidance and youth, my OGs. The kaitiakis of my streets, the big dogs of my whenua, whose heavy hearts breathe heavy art to impart knowledge upon me. I say please. I like to experiment. I like to have fun with things. I like to be playful with things. I like a bit of color. I like a bit of bleakness, and I like putting those two things together. If you look at any of my work, I like to play with contrasts and try and use that as leverage to dig deeper into what it is that is actually connecting us together. I work as a Cam Unkle director and producer, as well as a screenwriter on some of my own projects that usually deal with hearty things, but in a light-hearted way, which is sort of my whole approach to life. Other things I like to make, I'm also a painter and a musician. The painting came to me just over time. I got the privilege to be a part of a art collective known as the Southverse Art Collective. And I got to exhibit my work in different galleries around the city. And from that, just sort of sharpen my own understanding of what I want to make. My paintings are similar to my film stuff. It's stuff I grew up around. I paint my family, I paint my culture, I paint a dude in a ski mask doing a wheelie down the street. And in terms of my music, I make a lot of music because I like making music. I'm multi-genre. If you have Spotify or any good streaming service, stream my music, Coco Shakim. I like making music that is fun to make with my friends. That's the main driver behind it. And when we all have that energy of throwing into the pot, what we end up serving is always something fire. My message to any youngins out there who are thinking of jumping into either the creative sector, creative space, firstly is take the time to learn what you enjoy, learn what your strengths are, learn what your weaknesses are too, because they go hand in hand. And after you do that, secondly, learn how you can best serve whatever space you enter. I think us as Pacific people, we have this beautiful culture of service, and it's what sort of keeps us afloat in this ever-changing, crazy, hectic world. And when you can find out how you can best serve, you end up serving in every space you enter. And when you serve in every space you enter, the space serves you back.
Malolele guys, my name is Nathaniel Debo, aka NT Got Beats. I'm a music producer, singer, songwriter, engineer, and welcome to Fresh Beats. We're at Thompson Park, just a local park down my road. Beat I'm going for is probably like Afro. I've never done this before, so let's go see what we can find. On a stick, let's go. Also try to record the echo. Found a pole. All the same. So I like the tone of it, like that metallic sound. I reckon we would need like a shaker kind of sound. Any sounds with like notes behind them? So like a marimba sound or like a mallet, some kind of bell. I don't know what else. Let's go to that rugby pole over there. Yeah, we'll use this. We've got our 5 sound bites, guys. Let's go back to the studio, see what we can make.
Anywhere you're from, go and make it. Even if you're coming out the basement.
We're back in the studio. We got the sound bites from the park. Let's make a beat.
We always patterned up, never basic. So I raise a glass to myself in celebration.
We basically just hit a stick across a rugby pad. Sounds a bit like a snare. This is a slide at the park. Kind of like rim shot or tom maybe. Probably my favorite sound from the park, so I'll chuck that as a shaker somewhere. Basically just a pole on one of the slides. And soundbite number 5. Hey guys, so we finished the beat. We chucked all our soundbites in, put some effects on them, all of that stuff. So yeah, have a listen. Let us know what you guys think. No, that's a fresh beat.
Hey, I didn't see you there. Try not to go anywhere, because we got more stuff in store for you right after this break. What's up, freshies? We got a lot more in store for you, so let's get into it.
Tana whanava, I'm Uncle Phil.
And I'm Cam.
And this is Fresh Out of Water, where we do activities that we wouldn't pay to do on our own. Sorry, why do you think they chose us?
I honestly thought that it was because of your shoulders.
Now, you know what? It was this.
Okay. Tell me, what's the most outrageous thing you've ever done?
I'll have to say my half marathon at 150 kgs. How about you?
And honestly, it's probably talking back to my dad.
Wow. So how did that end?
Not well for me. Only one option.
Was it a fushi pa'u or?
Sleepy time or sleepy time?
Oh, is this like a...
Virtual reality.
Your favorite. Never done this before.
Welcome.
What's up, man?
Tui, nice to meet you. Tui, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Zero Latency, boys.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for having us.
This whole facility is virtual reality gaming.
Virtual reality.
So that's what we do here, but we let you actually free roam. So this whole space that you see here is for you guys.
Me.
Have you guys done anything like this before?
No, it's first time. Does it fit on my size head or?
So that's a pretty big domain. I'm not gonna lie.
For our headsets, you have to reach around the back and use this the dial to tighten the headset so it doesn't fly off.
So it'll fit.
It'll fit. It'll fit.
Yeah, it'll decline.
Well, I've got games lined up for you guys, and I'm not going to give anything away.
Okay.
You're going to have to watch briefing videos, but...
I got it.
We got it.
You got this. You got this.
Let's go.
So can you show me those? We're here at like a, looks like a zombie apocalypse outbreak kind of thing.
And we're about to enter into a reality that we're not aware of, so pretty nervous, but I'm excited.
I'm feeling kind of uneasy, really. I'm not really a big zombie fan. I know Uncle Phil is, you can see him in the back.
I think he might soil himself, actually, but...
I'm gonna trust in my skills and my abilities, and I reckon, you know, I might have one over Uncle Phil.
I've seen a lot of scarier things at home, so yeah, should be all good.
Silly, get ready. Headshot sauce.
Wow, don't try me!
It's on the right. Take the right, on your left, on your left.
I got the right.
Sorry! Come on now! So what you did back there to that zombie, so it's not raiders. So is that you, Cam? Hey, wait, hold. Yeah, cover. Sonny. You set me up. You set me up. Joe, watch out! Watch out, there's another one. So that was gone. Well done, sir. Great game.
What the?
How was that?
Wow, it's tough, bro.
What an experience, man.
Yeah?
That is next level. I did not expect that.
Full workout, eh? Bro, nah, that was really good.
Good,
honestly, one of the best things I've ever done, eh? That was fun as.
That was tough for me.
Yeah.
Just, you know, trying to work out a plan between me and the bro.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden get overrun by zombies.
Mine would have to be just the cardio, bro, involved.
Yeah.
Like that was a full workout for me, bro.
Yeah.
To be honest, like when you're in there, you don't even remember that there's walls here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, you just feel like you're in an open space or actually in that mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was the buzzy part. It's really cool, man.
Yeah. You know, like you really feel like you're in combat. This guy was like purposely leaving all the zombies to come at me.
But you guys did pretty well. Time-wise, you did pretty well.
Thanks, that was mean, bro.
Thank you guys for coming, man.
Appreciate it, Oofs.
Right, that was awesome.
Thank you for kicking with us today. I'm Coco Shakim. I hope you learned a bit about me. If you want to know more, follow me on Instagram, Coco Shakim, as well as Spotify. Please stream my music. Stay safe, stay warm, stay sicky, and remember, keep it fresh.
Pacific Dance is such a great platform, especially for us who are studying in such institutions, trying to create a career out of dance, and being able to have a platform like this really helps us to get our creative minds together, come together as one and present these works. So hopefully we can network as well. Meeting new people here at Pacific Dance is also helpful as well. And just being able to share the space with each other, share the space with the community.